Hey y'all, welcome back to Spirit of the Outdoors. I'm out here today caging some tomatoes because it's dry enough today I can get in the garden without bogging up to my knees, you know what I mean, Vern? So I am caging them, and I don't have enough fence posts to do it probably the best way, so I'm doing it the way I can, which is I'm putting a fence post every third tomato. Not every other one, but I'm putting one, skipping two, and putting a post. And I'm putting a cage on every one of them, but that's allowing me to come through here. And I got to have some more to tie. So what I'm doing is tying this cage right here to this post, very, very secure. And then I'm running that string down the top and pulling it tight, wrapping it over every one. I'll show you right here exactly what so now I'm pulling tight so that them can't all tip over in the middle. And it just saves me from having to go buy a bunch of extra fence posts. Fence post here is about, I don't know, $5 or $6 a piece at the cheapest. So I'm gonna tie this one off right here for now because I have got to go drive another fence post down here. And actually some of these tomatoes down through here are not quite ready to be stuck. I can go ahead and stick them if I got enough stuff, but I'm trying to get the ones that's the biggest and most laid over today because I have a lot to do. So I was just going to show you what I'm doing and a little of how I'm doing it. So these are most of these first cages I ever built, I built out of concrete wire. When I built my house, I had about a half a roll extra, and I bought plenty just because I wanted to make some cages. And then I have a bunch of them that's made out of those net wire fence, and they're a lot shorter, but they work all right for your smaller tomatoes. Ones I'm making sure I put these bigger ones on, which I did the Romas down there, and they don't get that big. They could have used the smaller cages, but these hillbilly potato leaf will grow slam out of the top of this and back down to the ground. So they need these tall cages, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this whole row out with these big cages, as many of them as I've got. I don't even know where they're all at. I think some of them's over here. I got them scattered all around everywhere. So cleaning up, and y'all right here under my feet, I had to thin these cucumbers. This is my national cucumber, and I need to hoe the other side of that row. I hoed this side when I cleaned all this out. And I put them up there. You seen in the B-roll, I've got them in a cup of water. I needed to just throw them away, but boy, I really hated to. And I'm pulling nut grass, y'all. I have got nut grass gonna take over, and I'm gonna probably later this fall, I'm gonna probably not plant a fall crop in this spot, and I'm probably gonna soak it. And I've got onions coming back up through here, and I've got weeds on the other side, and from right here on this trellises, I've got another whole panel. I don't really have anything that I'm gonna plant right here yet. I thought about putting some different type of cucumbers right here, but I don't know what I want to put. I'm undecided. So I have got 2 more. I think these are celebrity. Y'all, it's so bright out here, I can't see. There's a glare on that screen. I can't see what's on it. These celebrities have done got huge on me and laid down, so I got to get them. So I got to get this row finished out. I'm going to do it off camera. I'll pick you up when I kind of get through with it, and then we'll go over a little more of what I'm doing. So. this row right here is completely caged out. It's ready to go. I got another whole row to go. And I'm gonna do it pretty much the same way, but with mostly smaller cages because that is all I have, shorter cages. They'll work fine. Most of this row is celebrity. And then this row over here, I have got Better Boys on. And I replanted the other day. I come in and dropped in some of that. And y'all, I actually wasn't missing but 5 plants. I had 5 plants die out of that whole row. The rest of them I just transplanted in very small, and they still there. They're just not growing real well. So I'm not gonna cage them today. But anyway, I'm gonna get these done right quick, and I got some hoeing I gotta do. Y'all look how bad this nut grass is. This is, politics ain't my biggest problem. Nut grass is. You see, if I could solve this nut grass problem right here in my garden, I guarantee you I could solve your politician issues. I hate nut grass. I hate nut grass worse than I hate a politician. Well, I might round up it. You don't ever know. I'm sure somebody wants me to get some organic way of doing it, but I figure Roundup's the best way. Get that non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, you know. Well, y'all want to see how fast we can get this done? Let's do it real fast, like. Here we go. Hang on to your lug nuts. It's time for an overhaul. Well, y'all, boy, that was fast, wasn't it? Like old Speedy Gonzales just getting it. We got 2 rows of them done. I need to come through there and check on some stuff. And I was noticing something is going on with a couple of my younger plants. I'm going to do some checking. I got some hoeing I need to do, but it's a little damp. I got some other things I need to be doing, so I'm probably going to just quit right here. But hey, we got tomato cages up. Thank y'all for watching Spirit of the Outdoors. Remember, the best way to do things is the way you like to do it. We'll see y'all. Y'all have a good one.